Here's a revisit Payne air conditioner right here. It was running constantly last time I filmed it. Has a Bristol in there. Remember last time we called it had comes a recip. Yeah. 4-ton 1987. And I thought last time I had 4 blades, but I actually had 3 blades. Exposed wiring there. Oh, this thing has been packed up. And it hasn't been running recently. And it has 2 disconnects. That's interesting. And I think it has like an old Vasco motor based on like how old this unit is. But this unit has an old Bristol. The data is faded on it. On the Bristol. The unit, can't believe the sheet is still legible. Yeah, this is exposed. That's ridiculous. They hacked it. I'm not gonna press that. It's cool to lock. Disconnect. This is a single-story house, and they have 4 tons. Alright, hope you enjoyed it, and that would just be about it.